Ignorance and lack of access to medical services seems to be leading causes of death among patients. Ministry of Health and Medxpo Africa have organized a 3-day medical expo to create public awareness about disease treatment and prevention.
There's a huge gap in medical knowledge among the general public. Okay, so you'll find that many people, because they lack awareness of some of the medical information, they are not able to prevent some of the diseases. So you find that very many people think that having a big belly is a sign of being rich. Okay, they don't know that it causes diabetes. That's ignorance. You might find that your child breathing fast might be a sign of pneumonia, because people think it is cough. Okay, cough is not necessarily a sign of pneumonia. Fast breathing is a sign of severe pneumonia.
The director Medxpo Africa, Dr.Tumwine Daniel, says the disparity between patients and healthcare workers also has caused many patients to succumb to illnesses which would have been treated and healed.
Many people believe wrong things. You know what, vaccines don't work, or they cause autism, or this thing caused this and that thing caused that. Those are medical myths. So we want to be able to tackle that and provide good evidence-based medical information. So how do we answer that question in a very deliberate manner? We end up reducing the rates of sickness and the rates of deaths and the rates of chronic disability.
Only charging a fee of 5,000 shillings for entrance. Of course, we will have exhibitors. Those have a different arrangement, and they are welcome to come and partner with us on this initiative. But for the public, it's as low as 5,000 shillings. Thank you.
The doctors also cautioned the public against self-medication, which causes drug resistance.
Self-medication is dangerous because you can misdiagnose, and the more you misdiagnose, the later you present to an expert. And the later you present to an expert, the less things he's able to do for you. You have a lump in your breast, you self-medicate because it's painful. So you don't go and be checked. And by the time you come, it is the cancer, and it has spread. Yet had you gone initially, what would have happened? They would have managed it. So self-medication, self-treatment is extremely dangerous, especially in this era of internet.
The Medexpo starts 7th to 9th September at Lugogoma Showgrounds. There will be screening services for all patients, knowledge sharing and trainings. Mary Namkose, UBC News.